Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I know what you're thinking. That is a really awesome, unique, and beautiful new eyebrow trend that Christy's rocking. But no, this is not my new eyebrow trend where I only fill in one of my brows. I only filled in one of my brows today because I am trying out the Merit Beauty Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. So I've been trying out a lot of Merit Beauty products here on YouTube because they actually sent me their full 5-minute morning routine collection of products, and I have been loving their products. They're all about minimalizing your routine, simplifying. It's clean, vegan, cruelty-free products. They're available at Sephora. They are a little bit pricey, but if you're really minimalizing your products, then I guess I understand paying a little bit more for that one brow product in the routine. So this cost $24. I got it in the shade Blonde. It only comes in 3 shades, a blonde, a brown, and a black. So hopefully the shade is gonna work for me. When reading about it, I do really like that it says that it gives you a flexible all-day hold that never smudges or flakes, because one of my biggest pet peeves with a brow product is when it flakes and then you can see the visible product and it just looks not good. And I also love that this has nourishing ingredients in it for your brows. It says it has nourishing vitamin B5 that adds flexibility and encourages fuller looking brows. Kaolin clay and mineral pigments build natural looking color, and the tapered precision brush makes it easy to coat every hair. So let's check out that brush because I'm also pretty particular about my brow gel brushes. Ooh, it is pretty packaging. I love the gold here. Okay. Oh, opened it up upside down. Okay, I mean, the brush looks good. It's a little bit larger than what I typically want for my brow brushes, but it does get skinnier at the top, so it's probably fine. Here you can see what that brush looks like. So first I'm gonna go ahead and brush it through the brow that has no product in it, so we can see how this gel looks on its own. I feel like it's not even applying anything. It's just kind of brushing through the brow. Also, when I was looking online, I think that the look that they were trying to get or encourage you to do with this gel is more of that natural kind of, what do they call it, feathered brow, just a little bit more messy, and I do prefer a shaped, more precise brow. And I definitely can't get that shaped, precise brow with this product, especially with the big wand. Yeah, I was expecting it to add more product into the brows, but this wand doesn't seem to hold much. But I do think that my brow is starting to look more filled in, and it's actually a really good color, thank goodness. I would say it's like a light brown, dark blonde shade, which is exactly what I need. So that looks pretty good, especially if you don't want to have a very shaped, precise brow. It does a good job of filling in any sparse areas, but I don't detect any of the product. Like, it looks completely invisible. Now let's see how it is on top of the pencil. See if it moves the pencil at all, if it alters the look of it. But I think it actually looks really good because it's helping to emphasize the brow hairs, makes it look more full and natural. I think it's slightly darkening the hairs, which I think looks good and more natural. So I like that. Maybe it smudged a little bit at the front, like removed some of that pencil, because that's where I am the most bare, at the front of the brow. So I would say this is not like wowing me as the best brow gel I've ever used, but I do like the color. I like that you can't see visible clumpy or textured product. But I really thought this was going to be the like wand and this was going to be the product, but you actually get barely any product in this, and it barely applies any product to the brow. I was brushing through it for so long. So now let's see how this hold is. Not a strong hold. Like, it's actually moving the brow hairs pretty easily. And now they're kind of like stuck down and slicked down and look kind of chunky, clumpy, messy. I feel like I need to brush through them again. Let's see. Yeah, that's not what I want in a brow gel either. I want it to have good hold, because that's my real purpose of applying a brow gel, is to keep my brows in place, and that's not happening with this. So yeah, I am very picky with my brow products and how my brows look, and this is just not one of my favorites. Not gonna pass my brow gel test, but I'm glad I tried it out. So if you've tried this out, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But also, I'd just love to hear your recommendations for your favorite brow gels. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.